She walks like a whisper on satin ground. Every move, a poem without a sound. Eyes like midnight stars that shine, a gaze that lingers.
The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is the world's largest and most biodiverse tropical rainforest. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, approx 2.1 million square miles, it plays a vital role in regulating the global climate, carbon dioxide levels, and sustaining ecological balance. It's a living mosaic of rivers, forests, wetlands, and indigenous communities that have existed for millennia. Geographic extent and location. Countries spanned, 9 total. Brazil, approx 60% of the rainforest. Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia. Guyana, Suriname, French. Guyana, territory of France. Area, to 7,000 square kilometers, includes surrounding ecological zones. It lies within the Amazon Basin, the world's largest drainage basin. Amazon River System, Amazon River. Second longest river in the world, 400 kilometers, rivaling the Nile. Discharge, it releases more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Tributaries, over 1,100, including major rivers like the Madeira, Negro, Tapajos, and Ucayali. Floodplain ecosystems, vast and seasonally dynamic, critical to nutrient cycling and biodiversity. Biodiversity and ecosystems, the Amazon is one of the most biologically diverse regions on Earth. Its dense vegetation and vast river network support millions of species. Flora. Estimated 390 billion individual trees, belonging to around 16,000 species. Common genera: Hevea, rubber, Cecropia, Bertholletia, Brazil nut tree, Euterpe, acai palm. Important plants: cacao, coffee, tobacco, ayahuasca, medicinal herbs, fauna. Mammals: over 430 species, aigee, jaguar, capybara, Amazon river dolphin, howler monkey. Birds: 1,300 plus species, e.g. harpy eagle, toucans, macaws. Reptiles: 400 plus species, e.g. green anaconda, caiman. Amphibians: 1,000 plus species, e.g. poison dart frogs. Fish: 3,000 plus species, e.g. piranha, arapaima. Insects: estimated 2.5 million species, including rare beetles, butterflies, and ants. Endemism. Many species are endemic, found nowhere else on Earth. Indigenous peoples and cultures. The Amazon is home to over 400 indigenous groups, many of whom maintain traditional lifestyles. Languages. Hundreds of unique indigenous languages. AEG, Tikuna, Yanomami, Kayapo. Some tribes remain uncontacted, living in isolation. Deep knowledge of forest ecology, herbal medicine, and sustainable resource use. Face threats from deforestation, mining, and loss of land rights. Climate and weather climate type. Equatorial tropical rainforest. AF, Köppen, climate classification. Temperature, consistently warm. 26 Dixwind to 28 Tuarasi, 78 Tuareg to 82 Tuareg. Rainfall, 1,500 mm to 3,000 plus mm annually. Humidity. Often, 80% or higher seasons, wet and wetter. No true dry season. Ecological importance: carbon sink. Absorbs vast amounts of CO2, mitigating climate change. Oxygen production. Contributes approx. 20% of Earth's breathable oxygen hydrological cycle. Drives rainfall across South America via transpiration soil. Surprisingly poor in nutrients, depends on continual leaf litter. and biomass recycling economic significance, natural resources, timber, legal and illegal logging, medicinal plants, fruits, nuts, e.g., Brazil nuts, acai berries, minerals, gold, bauxite, oil. Threats from industry, industrial agriculture, soy, cattle ranching, mining dams and hydropower infrastructure development, roads, pipelines, ecotourism, growing industry focused on sustainability and education. Environmental threats, deforestation, caused primarily by cattle ranching, soy farming, illegal logging rates peaked in early 2000s but are rising again. Forest loss leads to biodiversity, loss, displacement of indigenous communities, contribution to global warming, climate change, increased frequency of droughts and fires, alters rainfall patterns, and forest health risk of reaching a tipping point where parts of the forest turn to savanna, illegal activities. Gold mining, mercury pollution, logging mafias, drug trafficking, roots conservation, and protection international efforts. REDD+, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. UNESCO Biosphere, Reserves Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization, ACTO protected areas. Over 1 million Klamati under legal protection includes national parks, e.g., Yasuni NP in Ecuador, Jau NP in Brazil. Organizations: WWF, Greenpeace, Amazon Watch, Rainforest Alliance. Indigenous activism, grassroots resistance and land stewardship advocacy for ancestral land rights and forest protection scientific research. And discoveries: new species are discovered every year. Climate science, botany, pharmacology, and zoology benefit from Amazon research. Soil microbiomes and canopy ecosystems are still being studied. Future outlook: balancing conservation and development is a central challenge. Calls for sustainable forest management, better law enforcement, and inclusion of indigenous knowledge. Without strong conservation, the Amazon may lose up to 50% of its forest within the century. Conclusion: the Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It is a global ecological engine, a cultural sanctuary, and a biological treasure trove. Protecting the Amazon is not just about saving trees. It's about preserving Earth's life support system.